We shall discuss now about chromosomal abnormalities. And in our body, that is in human beings, all body cells or somatic cells are said to be diploid in condition. They are said to have diploid condition. That is, we have 46 chromosomes in all our body cells or somatic cells. Or we can say it is 23 pairs of chromosomes present in all our body cells or somatic cells. This condition is also called diploid condition. Okay. On the other hand, our gametes, that is ovum and egg, has only 23 chromosomes, or that condition is said to be haploid, okay, or n number of chromosomes. This somatic cells, the number is called 2n number of chromosomes, are diploid condition, or we can say in human beings it is 46 in all somatic cells or body cells except in our reproductive cells, that is gametes, ova or sperms. Okay, they have only 23 chromosomes and that condition is called haploid condition. Now we will discuss about chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorders or abnormalities are caused by errors in the number or structure of chromosomes. Okay, when the number of chromosomes changes, when it increases or decreases, or when any change that occurs in the structure of the chromosomes, chromosomal disorders are caused. Chromosomal anomalies, okay, anomalies also it refers to abnormalities. So chromosomal anomalies usually occur when there is an error in cell division. Okay, why this chromosomal disorders occur means it is due to any error that occurs in the cell division that leads to chromosomal abnormalities. That is failure of chromatids during cell division, that is whether it is mitosis or meiosis. Sometimes chromatids fail to segregate or separate. Okay, during cell division, chromatids of the chromosomes fail to segregate or separate, resulting in the gain or loss of one or more chromosomes is called aneuploidy. Okay, that is the increase in number of chromosomes or decrease in number of chromosomes than the normal number of chromosomes, that is called aneuploidy. And how this aneuploidy is caused means it is because of failure of the chromatids. Failure of the chromatids, that is to segregate or separate. During cell division, they are supposed to, that is chromatids of the chromosomes are supposed to segregate or separate, but sometimes it does not occur. Okay, so chromatids fail to segregate or separate during cell division, whether it is mitosis or meiosis, that results in the gain or loss of one or more chromosomes is called aneuploidy. It is caused by non-disjunction of chromosomes. Again, non-disjunction, it refers to that is failure of the separation of the or segregation of the chromatids of the chromosomes. Okay, that is also called non-disjunction. Group of signs and symptoms that occur together and characterize a particular abnormality as anomaly is called a syndrome. So a syndrome is, it refers to group of signs and symptoms that occur together and characterize a particular abnormality or anomaly is called a syndrome. Usually syndrome is difficult to treat. Okay, medically it is little difficult to treat such diseases. In humans, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Patau syndrome are some of the examples of chromosomal disorders. And next one, it is about this is about the non-disjunction during mitosis. Okay, this is an illustration to show the non-disjunction of the chromosomes during mitosis. Okay, so it occurs during anaphase. Disjunction occurs during anaphase. Here you can understand. So this is what happens during metaphase, but in anaphase, and these two pairs, the chromosomes, that is chromatids of the chromosomes, separate or segregate, but this pair does not segregate. Okay. And this is also non-disjunction, but it occurs during meiosis. This is normal, that is these are the number of the chromosomes. So in mitosis 1, in meiosis 1, nothing happens, chromosomes segregate, and when in meiosis 2, when gametes are formed, and each cell, okay, 4 cells are formed, 4 daughter cells are formed at the end of the meiosis 2. So each one has normal number of chromosomes, so this is normal condition. This is abnormal condition, no non-disjunction. Okay, in meiosis 1, okay, So what happens is due to non-disjunction or due to failure of the chromatids to separate, what happens is these daughter cells have less number of chromosomes or more number of chromosomes. Here it refers to less number of chromosomes than the normal number of chromosomes, and this shows the more number of chromosomes than the normal one, and this is also the abnormal condition. This non-disjunction may occur during meiosis 1 or it may occur during meiosis 2. So this is the illustration to explain about what is non-disjunction of the chromosomes. Okay, we will discuss now about the autosomal aneuploidy in human beings. Okay, several autosomal aneuploidies have been reported in human beings, and you should know what is autosome. Okay, autosome, it refers to body cells. Okay, that is the chromosomes which are present in the somatic or body cells are called autosomes. On the other hand, allosomes refers to number of chromosomes which are present in the gametes. Okay, so here we are discussing about autosomal aneuploidy, that is abnormality in the number of chromosomes in human beings. Several autosomal aneuploidies have been reported in human beings. Example, Down syndrome. In Down syndrome, it is caused due to 21 trisomy. That 21 refers to the 21st pair of chromosome, which shows a trisomy, that is instead of XX, it appears XX and X. Okay, 3 X chromosomes are seen in the 21st pair of chromosome. I told already we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, so 21st chromosome or 21st pair of chromosome, it shows XXX, 1 extra X chromosome. And Patau syndrome, it refers to 13 trisomy, that is 13th pair of chromosome, it shows 3 X chromosomes. Okay, so we will discuss what is Down syndrome or trisomy 21. A trisomy condition of chromosome, that is 21, it results in Down syndrome. The characteristic that is features or the symptoms are, it is characterized by severe mental retardation. Okay, people affected, they show severe mental retardation, defective development of the central nervous system, increased distance between the eyes, flattened nose, ears are malformed, that is not normal, with some disfigured ears, mouth is constantly open and the tongue protrudes. Okay, so this is the picture of the child with Down syndrome. Okay, and next one, what is Patau syndrome or trisomy 13? Trisomy condition of chromosome 13 results in Patau syndrome. Meiotic non-disjunction is thought to be the cause for this chromosomal abnormality. During meiosis, meiotic division or meiosis, non-disjunction, that is failure of the chromatids to segregate, it is the cause for this chromosomal abnormality. It is characterized by multiple and severe body malformations as well as profound mental deficiency. Okay, the profound means more. Okay, lot of mental deficiencies more, and also malformations means not formed well. Okay, more that is defects are seen. Okay, severe body defects. Okay, body organs show many defects, and small head with small eyes, and cleft palate. Palate is also cleft. It is like it's a split. Okay, cleft palate, malformation of the brain, and internal organs are some of the symptoms of this syndrome. Not only malformation of the brain, even some internal organs are also affected. These are some of the symptoms of this syndrome. And this is the picture to show Patau syndrome. Okay, a diagrammatic illustration. So you please go through. Okay, these are the symptoms of the people who are affected. Okay,